Today is a very, very important day. We are all very excited to be here. I'm part of the Australian team. It was a very important milestone for the tour operator to see how beautiful is the country, how safe, and how all the products are up and running and even more beautiful than ever.
Yeah, I think it's a very important event, especially connecting suppliers with products. I think it's very important to understand what you have to offer. It's a good opportunity for us to understand what's in New Caledonia to offer to our partners. We see people booking more flights to Nomea, which is good. It's definitely a work in progress.
I think it's a great opportunity for us to come experience the destination firsthand and meet the local partners. So I think the setup is really perfect and great opportunities to meet with everyone in the 15-minute space. So I really quite enjoyed it. I have absolute faith in the destination. I don't see any problems, hesitations from our end to send Australians back to New Caledonia.
So yesterday we had a day where we did 7 or 8 site inspection and visiting all these hotels and dealing with those people that are motivated. They are renovating, they are thinking of new ideas, of new type of rooms. They are opening a little beach bar. Like there's so many ideas to make the lodging offering better.
We are very happy to be here today. We are very happy to reconnect with our partners with this speed meeting format. It's very convenient. We are also very proud to showcase our products to show that the destination is still as beautiful as it used to be.
So I only spent 3 nights here, which I find a way too short. I would love to come back and stay longer. I expected more military presence. I expected road closures, checkpoints, but I haven't seen any of that. So it looks like normal. I've seen a lot of developments, like new apartment buildings have been built, new restaurants have opened. So it's a very vibrant place, which, to be honest, I didn't expect. So it's much more positive than I was thinking before I came.